Good morning. It's day 3 of the cruise. We're going to see what happens today. So follow me as we go on our adventure on day 3. Gotta love this modern technology. So this is my GPS on my cell phone, and it is showing that on day 3 we are almost to the halfway point between San Francisco and Honolulu or Hawaii. So a couple more days and we will be there. In case you wanted to watch the adventures while you're at the pool, this is the perfect place to do it. Alright, well that concludes day 3 of our cruise to Hawaii. We are halfway there. So the craziest thing that I saw on the ship today was I had accidentally demagnetized my room key when I went out on the deck to use the GPS. So I went down to the purser's office and stood there for probably 30 minutes in line before they could reset my card. So the couple in front of me was actually there to complain because the elevators were too slow for them and they did not appreciate having to stand there and wait for the elevator. I thought, good gosh, you have nothing better to do than complain about a slow elevator. Why don't you just take the stairs like everybody else? Anyway, that's it. Have fun, and we'll talk to you tomorrow on day 4 of our cruise. Off to Hawaii we go.